begin in a comfortable stance, knees slightly bent, rotating the spine, tapping along the low back and the space directly below the rib cage, tapping on the kidneys and the adrenals, and using the body's natural momentum to activate these points. Taking the gaze over from one shoulder to the other, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now bringing one palm up to the space directly below the collarbones, still tapping along the low back, but starting to tap on this kidney meridian, breathing in more life force, more vitality into the body, activating the chi and the prana. Let's begin now taking one palm up to the space where the neck and the shoulders meet, releasing any tension from the day, any stress from the day prior, and breathing out any toxins or stagnancy in the body with the exhalations. We'll begin to slowly unwind the body, allowing the palms to drop down towards the sides and bringing the body into a place of stillness. Let's begin tapping the body, starting from the back, moving up and down the spine, again tapping on the kidneys and the adrenals, and then moving down through the backs and the sides of the legs, tapping all the way down to the feet, and then tapping up through the inside of the legs, landing on the inner groin. We'll do this one more time. Again, tapping down through the back, all the way down through the meridians on the back side of the body, and coming down to the feet and tapping up to the inside of the body, landing on the inner groin, creating a connection between the upper and the lower body, maybe bouncing into the knees. We'll begin now tapping along the internal organs, tapping from the liver to the spleen, releasing any worry, any self-doubt, any anger or frustration, and moving up to the thymus, starting to open up the heart and the lung meridian, breathing into this space. We'll begin tapping down the arm meridians, starting from the armpit with the palm facing up, tapping down the left side of the body, flipping the palm over, making your way back up to the neck and the shoulders. Repeating this one more time, tapping down the arm, all the way to the palm, flipping the palm, making your way back up to the shoulder, and then returning back into the center. We'll do the same thing on the right side of the body, opening the palm up towards the sky. As we tap up and down the meridians, we're creating a little bit more room, more spaciousness for the energy to flow. Anywhere where we restricted the full range of our emotion, maybe we held it in the jaw, the neck, the shoulders, the forearm, or the wrists, we're giving it an opportunity to release here. And coming back into the center, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale, release the arms towards the sides. Inhale, the arms reach up over the head, and exhale, bringing the palms to the back and the front of the neck, giving yourself this love, attention, and self-care as you would a child or a pet. And now taking the palms down the midline to the backs of the legs, filling up any energetic leaks in the electromagnetic field of the body. Bring the palms up to the belly, rotating once clockwise, and landing at the space just directly below the belly button. Stay here for a breath, and then bringing the feet together to touch. Close the eyes and allow the body to gently sway from side to side. We'll close by returning back to a comfortable stance, and taking a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale, sighing out through the mouth. Wishing you peace and vitality into the rest of your day and now on into the future. Namaste.